This is first step. And then after you turn off the splicer, pull out the battery. If the screw on the cable, we need to use the alcohol, dip some alcohol, and clean the glue, and then take out the cable. Okay. And then take out all the cable. Turn it around. And screw this part. And then you can find here this semicircle. It is not in horizontal level. It must be in horizontal level. So we need to make this semicircle in horizontal level. We use this kind of 1.3 screwdriver. There's a hole in under the semicircle. Unscrew it. And then we take it out. Then we get the pillar out. Then we can take out the whole semicircle part. And be careful, don't touch the big wheel. And then we install it back in horizontal level. Take a reference of this one in horizontal level. Install it back. So now we can find the semicircle part. It is in the same horizontal with this part, so it is okay. And then this pillar, you need to this side you need to face yourself, and then put it back. And then tighten the screw. So now it is okay now. And then the other side. So this is the same one as the other side. And then we need to repeat the procedure the video showed before. We need to unscrew the screw under here. Take out the pillar, and then make the semicircle in horizontal level. So after you make it in horizontal level and also install back the ball. So and then we install back the whole splicer. Connect the cables. And then you can double check if it is work. The alignment motor work after you install back all the cables. Turn on the splicer, do a test. That's all.